Hello! Video about opening and starting Mercedes-Benz GLS 2017 with AMP 7.0 device. This is an AMP 7.0 device. Tested car Mercedes-Benz GLS 2017. The car key. The big unit of AMP 7.0 device at a distance of about 6 meters from the key. We go to the car, which is located at about 30 meters from the key. Checking that the car is locked. Take and turn on the AMP 7.0 small unit. We touch the handle of the driver's door and unblock the central lock. Open the door, enter the car and press the start button. The engine immediately starts. We turn off the small unit. Press the start button and stop the engine. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. We turn on the small unit again and press the start button. The engine starts. We stop the engine, exit the car, touch the driver's door handle and block the central lock. The test is completed. Thanks to everyone for watching.